Reynisfjara is the most iconic black sand beach and one of the most dangerous beaches in the world. It has claimed the lives of visitors, hence you can see the warning sign before entering it. The sneaker wave can rush up towards the sand and sweep people out to the sea in a second. It actually looked very peaceful because the weather was nice. But I've seen the video, the wave crashing up to the columns, and people can hardly walk in the strong wind. The dangers of waves, because it can rise rapidly just before hitting the shore. The sand is ground down from black volcanic rock, formed when lava cools and solidifies. Driving on the ring road along the south coast of Iceland, you will find the village Wick and Reynisfjara Beach, usually called Black Sand Beach, just a bit outside of Wick. Although it's not the only one in Iceland, but here you can see beautiful black sand stretching for miles off the coastline. Apart from the black sand, the other geological phenomena that attract visitors to here are basalt columns. It is beautiful to visit, but it is also important to travel safe.